Hello, my name is Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Today we are going to try a recipe out of yellow pumpkin. It's a sweet and salt kind of a dish which can be had along with roti as a sabji. The detailed ingredients list for this dish is given in the description box below. Before we move into the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell next to it for notifications. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's have a look at the ingredients required. I've got some yellow pumpkin in here which I've washed clean, peeled and then cut into small 1-inch size pieces. In here I've got green chilli, grated ginger, fenugreek seeds, asafoetida, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, some lime juice and some sugar. We'll also need some oil to make the dish and salt to taste. So let's start making the pumpkin. So I've placed a pan on fire. I've got some oil heating up in it. Let's bring the fire to medium. Now let's add in the fenugreek seeds and the asafoetida first. We'll wait for the fenugreek seeds to brown slightly. Once they brown, we'll add in the ginger which I've grated. And we'll just mix it slightly. Now the ginger is browned slightly, we'll add the finely chopped green chillies. Once you saute the green chillies for a few minutes, you can add in the pumpkin. Saute for a minute. Now in goes turmeric, red chilli powder, coriander powder and garam masala powder. Mix well to coat the pumpkin pieces. Now we'll add salt to taste. Mix well. So that the salt gets mixed with all the pumpkins. So mixing everything together, I have placed the lid, kept the flame on medium heat and we'll cook this for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure you stir it occasionally. So you can see the pumpkin is almost done. At this stage we'll add in lime juice, and the sugar. Now the quantity of sugar you can decide depending on how sweet your pumpkin is. So I'm going to add the sugar as well. Let's mix nicely. If your pumpkin is still not done, then you can just cover this and cook for another 10 minutes. But my pumpkin is already cooked well. So I'm going to stop at this stage. Let it just sit for a few minutes so that the sugar melts. So the pumpkin is done. Let's add some coriander leaves. Mix well. And the sabji is ready. Now this goes really well with puris or paratha. So the dish is ready. You can serve this with some dal and some pulkas. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to like, share and comment. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.